Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to crochet this adorable little duck pear, a cute pear-shaped duck that's perfect as a toy, decoration, or even a thoughtful handmade gift. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. If you enjoy this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It means the world to me. Let's dive in. For round 1, we're starting with the base. Make a magic ring and work 6 single crochets into it. That's 6, 6. Pull the ring tight to close it up. Great job starting off. Tip: keep your tension even so the circle stays nice and neat. Next, for round 2, we're increasing. Work 6 increases, that's 6V, which means 2 single crochets in each stitch. You'll end up with 12 stitches. You're doing awesome. See how it's starting to grow? Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of your rounds. For round 3, we'll alternate. Do 1 single crochet, then an increase, and repeat that 6 times, written as XV, X6. You'll have 18 stitches now. Look at that shape forming. Keep it up. Tip: count your stitches to make sure you're on track. Moving to round 4, it's 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet. Repeated 6 times, that's XV, X, X6. You'll finish with 24 stitches. You're building something amazing. Stay focused. Tip: keep your increases aligned for a smooth circle. For rounds 5 through 7, work 24 single crochets in each round. That's 24x for 3 rounds straight. You've got this. It's repetitive, but it's shaping up beautifully. Tip: relax your hands. This is a great time to find your rhythm. For round 8, we're increasing again. Do 3 single crochets, then an increase, and repeat 6 times. That's 3XV, X6. You'll end with 30 stitches. Amazing work! You're halfway there. Tip: check your stitch count to avoid surprises later. Next, round 9. Do 2 single crochets and increase, then 2 more single crochets, repeated 6 times. That's 2XV, 2X, X6. You'll have 36 stitches. You're a crochet rock star. Keep going. Tip: spread your stitches evenly for a nice round shape. For round 10, it's 5 single crochets followed by an increase. Repeated 6 times, that's 5x, v, x, x6. You'll reach 42 stitches. Wow, it's really taking shape now. Fantastic effort. Tip: take a moment to admire your progress. For rounds 11 through 15, work 42 single crochets each round. That's 42 eggs for 5 rounds. You're in the groove now, steady and strong. Tip: this is a good spot to double check your stitch count. For round 16, we start decreasing. Do 5 single crochets, then a decrease repeated 6 times. That's 5XA, X6. You'll drop to 36 stitches. You're shaping the top now, great focus. Tip: make sure your decreases are snug to avoid gaps. Next, round 17. 2 single crochets, a decrease, then 2 more single crochets repeated 6 times. That's 2XA, 2XX6. You'll have 30 stitches. You're so close. Keep that energy up. Tip: pull your yarn firmly on decreases for a tidy finish. For round 18, it's 3 single crochets, then a decrease repeated 6 times. That's 3XA, X6. You're down to 24 stitches. Looking good, almost there. Tip: stuff your pear now if you haven't yet. For round 19, do 1 single crochet, a decrease, then 1 single crochet repeated 6 times. That's XAX, X6. You'll have 18 stitches. You're crushing it, such a cute shape. Tip: add more stuffing if needed before it closes up too much. Finally, the beak. Start with a magic ring, then repeat this twice. Chain 2, work 2 treble crochets, chain 2, and slip stitch. That's 2 slip stitch, X2. Adorable, right? You've just finished the cutest duck beak. Well done. Tip: pull the magic ring tight for a snug beak. Next, round 20, 1 single crochet, then a decrease repeated 6 times. That's XA, X6. You're at 12 stitches now. So exciting, you're almost done. Tip, use the tip of your hook to push stuffing into the corners. For round 21, work 6 decreases, that's 6A, to close it off with 6 stitches. Finish off and weave in the ends. You did it, your pear body is complete. Give yourself a pat on the back. Tip, use a yarn needle to weave in ends securely. Now let's make the stem. Chain 5, then turn and work 4 single crochets back along the chain. That's 4x. So simple, yet so cute. Nice work. Tip, keep your chains loose for easier crocheting back. For the leaf, chain 6, then turn and crochet back with 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Look at that lovely leaf, you're a natural. Tip, work into the back bumps of the chain for a cleaner edge. there you have it, your very own little duck pear. I'm so proud of you for crocheting along with me. Attach the stem, leaf, and beak. Add some eyes, and your creation is complete. If you love this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe for more fun projects. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to make next. Happy crocheting, everyone. See you soon.